Hey there, drone enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something really exciting for you. We're going to be talking about the top 5 best drones of 2023. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or a casual hobbyist, we've got something for everyone on this list. So make sure to stick around until the end. But before we dive into it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with all things drones. You can buy these drones from the links that are given in the description below. Let's get started. Number 5. DJI Phantom 5. The DJI Phantom 5 is a true masterpiece of aerial photography and videography. Building on its illustrious legacy, this drone continues to set new industry standards in 2023. At the heart of the Phantom 5 is its rumored 8K camera, which promises breathtaking video and photo quality. The ability to capture details and colors with astonishing clarity makes it a top choice for professional cinematographers and photographers. One of its standout features is the improved flight time, offering extended airtime for creative exploration. The drone's agility and stability are unparalleled, providing a smooth and seamless flying experience. Its obstacle avoidance technology has also seen significant enhancements, making it one of the safest drones on the market. The DJI Phantom 5 is equipped with a plethora of intelligent flight modes, allowing users to capture stunning shots effortlessly. Whether you're interested in dynamic tracking, panoramic views, or time-lapse photography, this drone has you covered. Portability and ease of use are critical aspects of the Phantom 5's design. It's both lightweight and compact, ensuring that it can be easily transported to any location you desire. The remote control offers precise control and is equipped with an intuitive interface. The DJI Phantom 5 is a game-changer for aerial content creators. Its rumored 8K camera, extended flight time, advanced safety features, and intelligent shooting modes make it a top choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. While it's rumored at this point, if the actual product matches the expectations, the Phantom 5 is poised to be a true leader in the drone industry in 2023. Number 4. Sony Air Peak S1. The Sony Air Peak S1 is a groundbreaking drone that has captured the imagination of professional filmmakers and content creators in 2023. With Sony's reputation for innovation, it's no surprise that the Air Peak S1 has become a game-changer in the world of aerial cinematography. At the core of the Air Peak S1 is its impressive camera compatibility, designed to carry Sony's Alpha series cameras, including those capable of shooting in stunning 8K resolution. This feature sets it apart as a powerful tool for professionals who demand top-tier image quality. The drone's flight performance is exceptional, precise and stable flight control, allowing for smooth cinematic shots. Its powerful propulsion system ensures the drone can handle the weight of high-end camera equipment even in challenging weather conditions. One of the standout features of the Air Peak S1 is its intelligent obstacle avoidance technology. It navigates complex environments with remarkable ease, providing a new level of safety for aerial photography and videography. The Air Peak S1 also offers a range of intelligent flight modes, enabling users to capture dynamic and creative shots effortlessly. From cinematic tracking to panoramic views, this drone's capabilities cater to the diverse needs of professional filmmakers. Portability is another strong suit of the Air Peak S1, with a foldable design that allows for easy transportation. The remote control provides precise and intuitive control over the drone's movements and camera functions. The Sony Air Peak S1 is a remarkable addition to the world of aerial photography and videography. Its camera compatibility, flight performance, obstacle avoidance technology, and intelligent flight modes make it a compelling choice for professional filmmakers. The Air Peak S1 marks a significant step forward in the industry, demonstrating Sony's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what is possible with drone technology. Number 3. Auto Robotics Evo Nano Series. The Auto Robotics Evo Nano Series is a versatile and compact line of drones that have made quite an impact in the drone market in 2023. Designed with portability in mind, these drones are perfect for travelers and adventurers looking to capture their experiences from the sky. Despite their small size, the Evo Nano drones are equipped with impressive features. The 4K camera provides excellent image and video quality, ensuring that you can capture memorable moments with clarity and detail. The compact design and folding arms make these drones easy to transport and set up, making them an ideal choice for on-the-go shooting. Obstacle avoidance technology is a notable highlight of the Evo Nano series. This feature enhances the safety of your flights, and helps prevent accidents, especially in tight or challenging environments. It's a reassuring addition for both beginners and experienced pilots. The Evo Nano drones also come with a variety of intelligent flight modes. Whether you want to capture breathtaking panoramas or dynamic tracking shots, these modes make it easy to achieve professional-level results. The user-friendly app and remote control enhance the overall flying experience, even for those new to drone operation. In terms of flight time, the Evo Nano drones offer decent endurance, providing you with ample time to capture your footage. This is particularly useful for travelers who want to maximize their shooting opportunities without frequent battery changes. Number 2. Skido X2. The Skido X2 is a revolutionary drone that has taken the drone industry by storm in 2023, particularly in the realm of autonomy and obstacle avoidance. This drone's advanced capabilities make it a game-changer for various commercial and industrial applications. The X2's standout feature is its unmatched 360-degree obstacle avoidance system. This technology enables the drone to navigate complex environments with exceptional precision, ensuring a level of safety and reliability that is unprecedented. This makes the Skido X2 a prime choice for applications such as inspections, surveillance, and search and rescue missions. In addition to its groundbreaking obstacle avoidance, the X2 offers an incredible 8K camera capable of capturing high-resolution video and images. The level of detail and clarity it provides is a significant advantage for professionals who demand top-quality aerial photography. The drone's flight performance is equally impressive. It is agile, stable, and capable of flying in challenging weather conditions, further enhancing its suitability for various professional applications. Intelligent flight modes are another highlight of the Skido X2. These modes simplify complex shots, making it easy for users to capture dynamic and cinematic footage effortlessly. Whether it's tracking a subject or creating panoramic views, the X2's intelligent features are a valuable asset for content creators. The portability and ease of use of the Skido X2 round out its impressive package. The folding design makes it relatively easy to transport, and the user-friendly remote control and app interface provide intuitive control over the drone's movements. Number 1. DJI Air3. The DJI Air3, released in 2023, is another remarkable addition to DJI's line of drones, continuing the legacy of producing high-quality aerial devices. This drone offers a perfect blend of advanced features that cater to both professional filmmakers and hobbyists. At the core of the Air3 is its exceptional 1-inch CMOS sensor, allowing it to capture breathtaking 6K video at 60 frames per second. The video quality is astounding, with impressive color accuracy and sharpness, making it a top choice for cinematographers and content creators. One of the significant improvements in the Air3 is its obstacle avoidance system. It has been enhanced to provide an added layer of safety during flights. This is particularly beneficial for beginners and those flying in challenging environments. The drone's flight time is equally impressive, offering a remarkable 35 minutes in the air. This extended flight time ensures that you have ample time to capture the shots you desire without frequent battery changes. The improved battery management system further optimizes flight time. The Air3 offers a range of intelligent shooting modes, from active track for tracking subjects to point of interest for capturing dynamic perspectives. These modes make it easy to create professional-grade content without the need for advanced piloting skills. Portability is another strong point of the Air3, with a foldable design that makes it easy to carry and set up on the go. The remote control offers precise and intuitive control over the drone's movements and camera functions. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best drones of 2023. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, there's a drone here for you. Be sure to do your own research and consider your specific needs before making a decision. Which drone are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow drone enthusiasts. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting drone-related content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy flying!